Hey, this is Will White with Alair Homes Clemson. Wanted to talk to you today about insulation. What we like to do is spray foam, open cell, isonine insulation. The reason we like to do that is you can see I'm standing in the bonus room, and it works really good when you have a vaulted ceiling like you see behind me, that you can seal up all these areas. We'll go in, spray all the walls, and we also go up into the attic and spray the entire roof line. And this creates a vapor barrier to control temperature better. It is a little bit more expensive, but overall, the house is gonna be sealed up and the temperature is gonna be controlled better. By controlling the temperature in the attic, underneath the house, the finished heated square footage, the temperature is gonna be maintained at a more consistent rate. The benefits are your air conditioning unit is not gonna work as hard. So the longevity of your unit not having to work as hard because your house is sealed up is going to benefit you. The homeowner is also going to see small savings in their power bill as well. A couple of things that we have to do because we do seal up the house, create a vapor barrier. We have to bring in fresh air returns for areas like the dryer, the HVAC unit. They'll connect a vent out to the outside that brings filtered fresh air in. Also, if the client wants to have an upgraded hood above their oven, a lot of times we'll have to bring fresh air in for that. These are a few of the things that you have to think about when doing spray foam insulation, but we feel like that the spray foam insulation gives us an overall better quality house because it seals everything up. So hope you enjoy this video up here on Lake Kiowee. Thank you.